Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene.
We're going outside today to have some fun. Hi friends, welcome to my Mexico vlog. Oh my god, it's been a long time coming. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and give this video a like because it's gonna be amazing. Enjoy the vlog, guys. Mwah.
Another banger. Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, put him heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you, say I love you, no day for me, yanga, oh yanga. No tell me, no, oh, you gon' give me your lo. Let me like, Shawty gon' give me your lo.
Cancun way.
I see this fine girl from my party. She wear yellow. Every other girl did it.
Good evening, passengers. This is your captain, Hot Girl Summer speaking. Thank you for joining us on flight TTS 9247 to the streets.
My baby, my Valentine, yeah. Can I hear the make you my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive, I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, don't leave me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body, never did ever carry she, open up, make I see, you're my love, 160. If you make a bad man sing, oh,
Look back and smile. Cutie. So guys, we're in Mexico. Come see my room. It's so beautiful. Come. We have a nice tub here.
Just for the record. If they like me, they chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no they walk up. Man, no be God. Make them they talk up. I saw they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question.
Landed safely. We're so tired, like it's been a long day, but we just want to go get food and recharge. Yes, we made it. Still glowing though.
Just for the record, just for the record. If they like with the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. Baso plain bear more.
Guys, it's literally day 1 and about to have lunch, and please see our view.
That be a passion. Bad man no they walk up. Man no be God. Make them they talk. That's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer.
Are you ready? Cheers!
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Guys, they literally had everything. Like, there was so much to eat, so much to pick from, and it's all inclusive, so we did not have to pay for anything. And all this food, ooh, look at those cakes. All this food is separate from their a la carte menu, so they have a set menu that you can also order any food from.
my leading lady. I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
See all the food we ordered, guys, and everything tasted so good. Like 10 over 10 recommend. This was our first breakfast in Mexico and at this resort, and we just continued to eat here after that. Hi guys, so we are on our way to Taboo. Hi sis. It's been such a chaotic day already, but we made it out in one piece, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like. I've only seen it on Instagram, but yeah.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
You there?
Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but literally there is octopus in my plate of food. The Nigerian in me is like, don't try it, but at the same time I want to.
Another banger. Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you, say I love you, no day. No, no, oh, 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 oh. Baby, gon' give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. You got me like, oh, 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 oh. Shawty gon' give me your lo, 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 lo.
So guys, we are off to our next location. We're going to what's the name of this location? Spheric. Yeah. So it's supposed to be a really nice view. Like from the pictures we saw online, it's really good. So we want to go take some nice pictures to the place. How cute!
Just for the record, just for the record. If they like with the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, and so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Answer. Bossa, lubedu. There go sing a sala when you dey move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to
Been a few hours, but it felt like days.
Hey guys, so we are at the poolside and it is so beautiful. It's gonna chill, relax. I'm gonna take a few pictures in this two-piece. It's so cute. I got it from Shane, and then I'm gonna change into my swimsuit and just jump in the pool because the heat stroke is so hot.